I just ordered the new FlashForge 3D printer, the Dreamer. It came from China, and this is the box it came in. And I've already set up the printer, so I'm not going to go through all the unboxing. But this is basically what it looks like here. And when you get the printer, the first thing they tell you is to reset the power supply. And it's actually fairly easy. You just have to go underneath the printer, and you can see the power supply quite easily. There's a little red switch, and they recommend you take off the bottom panel, but I didn't do that. I just took a letter opener and I was able to flip the switch that way, and just to make sure I had to stick a little mirror in there just to make sure the switch was in the right position. So after getting the printer, I fired it up, and the display panel, the display was actually showing backwards and upside down. So I contacted the vendor, and he sent me quickly back an email just saying that it was an easy fix. It was just a matter of popping out a flash card, which is in the bottom of the unit, and reinstalling it, and actually it solved the problem. So the printer came with 2 spools of PLA, one white, one black, and I've installed them ready. Also, the printer's got a cover which goes on top like that, and I've just removed it just so you can see it better. It also comes with a toolbox. It's got a scraper, some Allen keys, just some hardware here, extra cable, not even sure where that goes right now, and X-Acto knife, some plastic tweezers, and a little screwdriver. And it also comes with just a roll of blue painter's tape, and it also comes with a 4 GB SD card, and the card is preloaded with the user manual and just some G-code files that you can try out right away. And yeah, it's actually pretty simple to use. I'll just show you how it fires up here. So there's a power switch on the side. Oh, I forgot to mention too, when the unit came, it had the wrong power cord. I guess it was either a European or Asian power cord. But luckily I had a whole bunch of the correct power cords from old computers that I've had, so I was able to just pop that in. So let me fire it up, and I'll show you what the display looks like. So I've already preloaded the filament, but anyway, just to do that is pretty simple. Just hit the tools button. There's a button for filament, and you can. It's a dual extruder head, so you can either choose to load left, load right, and it's fairly easy. I'm just going to open the cover. It actually comes with a nice clear front cover, which is great. You can look in and see what's going on with it closed. So you can see the filament is routed up through here and into the printer head. Same with the black one. So I've just had it for about 3 days now, and the first thing I tried to print out, they give you a some samples, and I'll just show you that here. Actually, I'm just going to pop the card in here. It just clicks right inside. And then you go to print. And I'm just going to choose the card in the middle here. And it gives you, I've actually added a few files myself. The one I've printed out first was called Box Left. So I'll just click on Box Left just to start the print. And the first thing it does, actually you can see the platform just moving a bit. Through the software, actually this was preloaded on the card already for this file. It's heating up the platform. It's going to stop when it gets to about 110 degrees Celsius. And after the platform heats up, the left extruder is going to start heating up, and it will start the print. So, yeah, I probably won't go through all that right away in this video, but I'll just show you what actually came out. It's this little cube here, which is 20 by 20 per side and about 10 millimeters high. And I'm not sure if you can see it in the video. Maybe just let me back up a bit here, but the quality looks pretty good. Just a very simple cube. Just the first project just to make sure it was working, and it actually turned out very good. And I printed it right on the bed. It's covered in Kapton tape, and I printed it directly on there. Actually, after leveling out the print bed, which is one of the first things you should do, and it's pretty simple. There's only three screws, and the menu guides you through the whole process. So it's pretty simple. Yeah, so all in all, very happy with the machine so far. I just printed something else out as well. It just needed a little tray to hold some little keys, and just spent literally about 5 minutes on SolidWorks, and then saved the file as a STL, and then with the software provided, just turn it into a G-code, put it on the card, plug it in, and print away. And I've also tried the Wi-Fi. You can print by Wi-Fi, and that does seem to work. I did print one project which actually turned out quite nice. But yeah, I'll try to follow this up with another video just showing some of the other projects and actually showing the machine in action. Alright, thank you.